Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. It's just Oni here and I am back with another flippin' video. If you are new here, welcome to the family, and if you are returning, welcome back. On this channel we talk about everything beauty, leveling up, glowing up, and becoming the woman of our dreams. If that sounds like content that you like to watch, that content you love to get into, make sure you subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you never ever miss a video. And without further ado, let's just hop right on into this video, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys all of my favorite beauty products, all of my holy grail products. But when it comes to face and makeup, my favorite products to use. So for moisturizer and cleanser, I love the La Roche-Posay cleanser. I use the purifying cleanser from La Roche-Posay, and then I use the Double Repair Moisturizer. I use the one with SPF and the regular one. I use the SPF one in the daytime and the regular one in the nighttime. I absolutely love this combo. I swear it has my skin clear as day. This is literally the best my skin has ever looked, period. My holy grail concealer of all time, I've been using this concealer for years and I will never stop using this concealar, is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. You guys, this concealer gets a little bit of a bad rep because a lot of people say that it's like super dry, but I'm just so obsessed with this concealer. I will never fold on this concealer. This is literally like the best concealer ever. Every time I try another concealer, it just throws me off, and it never does what the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer does. So what I do for my under eye, and I put that all over my under eye and my high points and my nose, my chin and everything. So I put that, and then I go in with the Revlon Photo Finish Pressed Powder. You guys, this is the key to getting a super beat face. So you go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and then you go in with the Revlon Pressed Powder. And then after that, you bake with the One Size Translucent Powder. Another beauty product that I swear by is lash serums. So the one I use is by, I think, an Australian brand. I will obviously put it on the screen right here. I forget the name, but I use lash serums, and the one I use is completely natural. And guys, I have very, very sensitive eyes, so I can't just use like any lash serum. Like I have to use something that has completely natural products. And I heard like a lot of lash serums give people like eye infections, and I have really sensitive eyes and sensitive skin, so I didn't want that. So when I found a super natural like eyelash serum, I was like, yeah, I have to buy it. And I've been using it for like over 3 months now. It lasts so long. It has made my lashes so long, and I'm just so obsessed with it. Definitely those days when I don't feel like putting on my lash extensions, it's so nice to just know that like I have my natural lashes are just so long and have grown so much, so I can just throw on a little bit of mascara and call it a day. Another thing that I use is lash clusters. The specific brand, like I said, I will put it on the screen for you guys. It only takes me like 10 minutes to put on my lashes when I'm getting ready. Like I just use a little glue, like in a mascara wand, I just use that. And then I just apply my lashes and one by one, and it's literally so quick, and it just gives me my eyes just the prettiest look, as you can see. And last but not least, my holy grail of all time is the One Size setting spray. I know you guys hear about this setting spray all the time, but this setting spray is really the GOAT. Like I've probably been through like 6-7 bottles by now. It can make my makeup a little too matte, and for my girlies who might be who might feel like the One Size setting spray makes their makeup a little too matte, what you can do is you can go in with like a hydrating setting spray, then go in with the One Size setting spray, and then go back in with the hydrating setting spray to kind of just bring the hydration back into your skin. Because I can't lie, sometimes that One Size setting spray has me looking a little bit too matte. And this video is not sponsored, and I actually hate doing free promo. It says a lot that I'm not gatekeeping this, but you guys are my family, so I can never gatekeep anything from you guys. Some of these products I've been using for years, literally years. Next up, we're gonna talk about hair. So you guys always ask me about my hair, and I just wanted to let you guys know like some of the holy grail products that I love to use on my hair. So as you guys know, I usually do like my bust down, middle part straight. Today I switched it up a little bit and I curled my hair today. In order to get my hair like super silky straight, I use spritz. All you gotta do is like get like a little strand of your hair. Make sure your hair is like blow dried. Get like a strand of your hair, take the spritz, spray it like once or twice, get a comb, do the chase method, and just straighten your hair slowly. I swear your hair will be silky straight for like at least a month. Dry shampoo for my girls who wear their hair straight. Dry shampoo is the holy grail, because y'all, I live in a very hot, humid climate, so sometimes the straight hair, it gets greasy, it gets oily, it gets a mess because, you know, just because of where I live. So when I don't feel like washing my hair, because you know, wash day is a whole ordeal, I just go in with some dry shampoo. They make dry shampoo for dark hair. They do. They make dry shampoo for brunettes. Not all dry shampoo is for blondes. They make dry shampoo for brunettes, so it has like a little tint to it. So yeah, my favorite dry shampoo, it's really cheap. I think it's like $4. It's from Batiste. I use it whenever, you know, I don't feel like washing my hair and it's a little greasy or it's a little stringy and I just want to go in with the dry shampoo, comb it out, re-straighten it, and just call it a day. So yeah, that's definitely my hack for when I don't feel like going in and washing my hair. Another holy grail product that I love is mousse. I love using mousse to flatten my hair. And you guys know sometimes wigs can look a little bulky, or like if you have a sew-in, you want it to look really flat. The key to this is to put mousse in your hand. Take the mousse, go like this with the mousse on your part, and then put on a scarf. Tie the scarf really tight, give it like 10 minutes, and then take the scarf off. Your hair will be super duper flat. And also mousse also helps your curls stay. So if you want your curls to stay, put in mousse into your hair before you curl your hair. Put mousse in, let it dry, and then go in and curl your hair or do heatless curls or whatever, and I promise your curls will stay all day. And when it comes to nails, the brand that I love to use the most is BT Art Box. Whenever I use their nails, it literally looks like I came right out the salon. And last but not least, body. Yes, so for all my girls who want to get that like glowy inner glow skin look on their body, my holy grail body oil is the Sol de Janeiro body oil. I've been using this for so long. I literally just ran out. It has shimmer. It makes your skin look so healthy and beautiful. It smells so good. It literally smells like the flipping beach. Like it just smells like summer. Like it's such a beautiful scent. I use this during the daytime when I just want that, like when I want like a extra glow and I just want my skin to look extra glowy, extra youthful. If I'm wearing a top that kind of has like my décolletage out, or if I'm wearing a top that's either strapless or spaghetti strapped or off the shoulder, I just love putting that all over my chest to just have my décolletage out. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I thank you guys so much for all your support, all the love that you always give me. Feel free to comment down below any suggestions that you guys have for videos that you would like to see me do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah.